How to repair woven footstools. Woven footstools are very sturdy, and the tape used to wrap the crossbars is designed to resist staining. When damage does occur, it is usually caused by a cut or broken tape. If the stool is old, the new tape will not match the old tape, and if the old tape has already been damaged, replacing the tape is usually the best option. Making the repair is not difficult. Instructions. Things you'll need: utility knife, scissors, pliers, woven chair tape, tack, mallet, foam, electric carving knife. 1. Remove the material covering the stool seat. Use a utility knife or scissors. There should be tacks hidden under some of the wrapping material. Remove the tacks with pliers. 2. Position the stool with a long side facing you. Call this long side the front. Tack the end of the woven chair tape 2 inches from the back left leg on the underside of the side rail, using a tack and mallet. Woven chair tape is sold in several widths and many colors. 3. Estimate the amount of woven cloth tape you need for the width side of the seat by measuring the width of the seat divided by the width of your selected tape. Measure the length of the seat, multiply the length by 2, and add 2 inches. Multiply this amount by your divided width number and add 12 inches for tacking. This is the amount of tape for the width weave. Often the width and length use different colors of tape. 4. Estimate the amount of woven cloth tape you need for the length side of the seat by measuring the length of the seat divided by the width of your selected tape. Measure the width of the seat, multiply the length by 2, and add 2 inches. Multiply this amount by your divided tape width number and add 12 inches for tacking. This is the amount of tape for the length weave. 5. Bring the woven chair tape under the back rail and up over the back rail. Stretch the tape across to the front rail. The tape should be against the leg posts. Wrap the tape under the front rail and back, and under the back rail. Bring the tape up over the back rail and stretch it to the front rail. Continue this process until you have tape across the entire stool on the top and bottom of the rails. Bring the tape over the front rail for the last time. Take the tape to the right side rail. Cut the tape 2 inches from the right rear leg and tack the tape to the underside of the side rail. 6. Cut a piece of foam that is the thickness of the rail. Using an electric carving knife, cut the foam 1 inch less than the inside width of the rails, and 1 inch less than the inside length of the rails. Make notches at each leg corner. Slide the foam between the top and bottom rows of tape, and center the foam so that it is not visible. 7. Slide the second tape to the side, counting from the left back leg toward the right. Tack seat weaving tape to the underside of the back rail. Pull the tape back into position to hide your tack. Bring the tape under and to the left side. Wrap the tape over the left side rail and weave the tape over and under every other tape until you reach the right side. Wrap over the edge and weave the bottom together in the same way. The underside tape will angle slightly to allow your tape to come up next to the first tape. Wrap to the top side and weave in the opposite direction of your first pass. Continue to the end of the seat. 8. Wrap the tape over the right side rail and weave along the underside until you near the front rail. Slide the closest tape to the side. Tack the end of the tape to the underside of the front rail. Trim off the end of the tape. Slide the tape back over your end to hide it. The top of the stool and the bottom of the stool should both be woven. Tips and warnings. You can use a different color tape in each direction to create a checkerboard pattern. Resources. Read this article in UK English. Thanks for watching.